Everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm Spam Platform Interview. So today we have a platform that we are going to dive down today. That's name is madeinchina.com, and I will tell you how you can search your suppliers, and you can earn a passive income by it by just purchasing products online and selling it with the help of this supplier. So let's move on to this platform, basically online store, where I will guide you how you can do all the things into it and how you can be able to do your own business by the madeinchina.com. So let's dive in. Today's topic is that the step-by-step guide of made in China and the innovative products you can source from the madeinchina.com to start your own business, how to find quality suppliers from the china.com, and how to use made in China for drop shipping. These are the main points that we are going to discuss today. So make sure you can watch the video till the end, and if you're new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe it also. So guys, the Made in China is the world's leading B2B platform that facilitates both online and offline connections between the global buyers and the Chinese suppliers, and they hope to they can give you security, and you will also get your funds back once if you are not satisfied with the product, or you want to cancel the product. So you will also get your refund as well as. So I have given you the link into the description. Make sure you can join this with the link that I have given you into the description. And now I can tell you how you can find your suppliers, and how you can earn a business, how you can generate a passive income by just doing this business. So basically, this is the world's leading B2B platform that connects 10 of a million global buyers, and the Made in China team of experts is dedicated to providing exceptional customer service as a simplified sourcing process with its powerful search engine and instant communication system and online trading assurance. It's just the right a one-stop shop for all of your business needs. And you can also join the social communities like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and as well as you can also get updated with them. So basically, you will see the categories here. There are a lot of categories here, and you can buy anything from here, and you can also search your supplier from here. Here you can see is the inquiry basket, and here's the my account, here's the buyer. So you can click on a buyer, and here's a service where you can be learn from them frequently asked questions here. Here's a supplier option for supplier. If you are a supplier, you can just get a membership here and earn a passive income by it as well as. We can go back, and here we can see the buyer is a new user guide. If you are new, or you want to start with the made in China, you can also get information about how to start. There are 4 steps to start your business journey. Find products and reliable suppliers. How to find it: enter the product or supplier keywords in the search bar, review the list of results that are displayed, and the further refine your search using the available filters on the left hand side. After that, here is the step 2, where you can choose the audited suppliers. Looking for trustworthy suppliers among the over the 6 million options, the filter for suitable suppliers. And you can also learn all the points from here, like how to start and how to get a part into the made in China. So we can go back, and here we can search any top ranking product from the main thing is that how you can search a top ranking product for your starting of the business. So they are also mentioning you the top ranking products here, so you can simply search your top ranking product here and get it very easily. The top ranking products nowadays, they are these products on the made in China. They are giving you these products to start your business easily. So this is a simple way how to start. You can simply click here onto this product, and if you want to start order request, you can click here. Or if you want to contact with the supplier, you can simply contact supplier icon, and then we can be able to contact with the supplier, and we will make a deal with both of us. So as you can see, we can put the pieces quantities here, bags and anything. We can put the quantity here, how many we want to purchase. Like I put 5 into the quantity, and here I will add the note content where I will talk with him, where I will share my thoughts with him, like how to start the business. And here you will see your email address, and you can simply send an inquiry to him. And the main thing is that he will respond you very quickly, because on other platforms, the suppliers never answers to you, but in this platform you will get your response from the supplier very easily in almost 24 hours. You can also chat with him here. So this is available, and if you want to purchase it, you can simply start order request and purchase the product here also. But I suggest you to start your own business with made in China. And here you can see the most popular, best selling movers and shakers, and the new releases as well. So as you can see from the main, we discussed that how to find top ranking products to start our business. Here's the secure trading services and the video channel, and here's all the categories you want to select. Here's my account. You can also set up your account, your business account, and you will be easily get your funds and talk with the suppliers. You can also meet with the suppliers here. You can simply click here, the sourcing made in China traders, and you can also do offline sourcing meeting with the suppliers, person to person. And here's the, if you want to apply for more suppliers, you can simply click here to talk with the suppliers. And as you can see, there are a lot of information there. So as you can see, I have explained everything to you, how to contact with the supplier and how to publish your top ranking product into the made in China. So that was a way to start your own business with the made in China. So I hope you like this video. If you want to see like this type of model in the future, don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for upcoming videos. So take care, then the next video. Goodbye.